Is your home a battlefield of thermostats? One room is an oven, another is an icebox. This is a common problem. What if fixing this could also cut your energy bills by up to 30%? It's possible with individual room control. But the common fix, closing vents, is wrong. In fact, it could be damaging your entire HVAC system. True control means eliminating those frustrating hot and cold spots for good, giving everyone their perfect temperature. We'll break down the right ways to get room-by-room control, from full systems to simple, smart upgrades. So, why is your house so uneven? Your single thermostat reads the temperature in one spot and treats the whole house the same. This system creates wide temperature swings in other rooms. These fluctuations don't just affect comfort, they can disrupt sleep. A smart thermostat is a good first step. It learns your patterns, but it's still just one sensor in one location. True individual room control does more than save money. It reduces strain on your expensive HVAC equipment, helping it last longer. And this isn't just for mansions. An average-sized home with a second story or a home office can see huge benefits from zoning. The benefits are clear: comfort, savings, and a longer system life. So how does it work? And why is closing a vent so bad? Let's tackle that myth. You close a vent to force air somewhere else, like kinking a garden hose. But your HVAC is a closed-loop system. Closing vents creates back pressure. This strains the blower motor and forces air out of hidden cracks and seams in your ductwork, wasting energy. A professional zoning system is different. It uses automated dampers and a control panel with bypass ducts to safely manage air pressure. But you don't always need a massive renovation. In just a few moments, you'll see how to get these benefits without tearing open your walls. And remember, comfort isn't just temperature. Proper airflow control also helps manage humidity, keeping it in the ideal 30–60% range. Okay, the problem is the single thermostat, and the wrong solution is closing vents. Now let's look at the tech that solves this correctly. First, smart vents. These replace your existing vent covers and use sensors to automatically direct air where it's needed. Next, ductless mini splits. Perfect for problem areas, they offer high-efficiency heating and cooling for specific zones with no ducts. These new tools don't replace your smart thermostat. They work with it, using sensor data to make the whole system more responsive. The technology is getting wild. Some advanced dampers are wireless and powered by the wind of the airflow inside your ducts. These solutions are powerful, but simply buying the tech isn't enough. There are critical mistakes you need to avoid. So how do smart vents manage pressure safely? They communicate with each other, ensuring not too many close at once to protect your system. A massive hidden problem is leaky ducts. You could lose 20–30% of your conditioned air before it even reaches a room. Sealing them is a must. Another mistake is improper sizing. An oversized HVAC unit short cycles, turning on and off too quickly. This is inefficient and wears out parts. Even with smart vents, start small. Target your 2 or 3 biggest problem rooms first instead of outfitting the entire house at once. It's clear that true climate control is more than one device. It's about the entire system working together. So how does this save you money? Let's return to the 30% energy savings from the start. That number isn't just from conditioning fewer rooms. It's a cumulative effect. You get there by reducing system strain, as we saw in Scene 9. You get there by stopping the 30% air loss from leaky ducts we covered. The real insight is this: individual room control is the key to making your entire system operate at its peak. Control is efficiency. You can have personal comfort, lower bills, and a healthier HVAC system. So, what are your next steps to get there? We've covered the main paths: comprehensive zoning for new builds, ductless mini splits for targeted areas, and smart vents for an easier upgrade. The goal is the same for all. Stop fighting over the thermostat, stop wasting money on empty rooms, and stop needless wear on your system. Your first step is an assessment. Identify your biggest problem rooms, the sun-baked office or the chilly basement. Check for drafts first. Take control of your comfort, one room at a time. Research the solutions we've discussed and decide which step is right for you.